section has arrived now. So yeah, as you can see, it's in progress. We've got the pull-out pantry, above fridge cupboards, fridge cabinet there, and then yeah, 3 over cupboards with the range hood cabinet in the centre, oven nook, microwave, and then cupboard above it, and then pantry stuff there. So the hob will go into this space here, and yeah, there's the island starting as well. Scullery, and then all of the offcuts and pelmets and bits and pieces of their range hood up there, and have the laundry units. Oven and cooktop, as well as induction cook set, our sink, and I believe this is part of, this is all the trays for the pull-out pantry. I'm going to mount up the second wall light here. I've already done one on that side of the house. I'll show you what these look like. They're a 1500 long bar line LED wall light from Have It Lighting. So yeah, 3K, 4K and 5.5K. So I'll crack into that and get that mounted. Definitely blowing away.
It also looks like there's a few like rips and stuff in between the boards.
A few rips between the boards?
Yeah, whether you see them or not. You can't really see it.
Yeah. Once you've got enough black on there, you won't see it.
Yeah, right.
I don't think you'd pick it unless you're really looking. So this is a selector switch. Now the tricky bit. Nice. Just doing one fucking. Yeah.
They lights. You got them on that front. Or
Yeah,
so
yeah.
they just like shine out the top and bottom. And just...
Nah, like the whole
oh,
perimeter.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, cool.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I was wondering what they were. I thought it was a speaker or something.
Nah, it's above it. Laundry currently, so that'll be getting installed very shortly. Going to poke her nose, poke her Hontus.